Welcome home. I'm here today in Citrus Springs, Florida, and we have two beautiful new construction homes that are hitting the market. And this is an opportunity for you to pre-purchase the home before it's completed. So you stake your claim, have a contract, and once it's completed, then you'll go to the closing table. So it's kind of a neat stage. These homes are very close to completion, just a couple of months away. So it's really perfect timing, but you do have to be able to envision the finished product. So I'm going to give you a quick tour, let you know what these houses have. They are directly adjacent to each other. So if you have any sort of multi-generational family need, you're moving to the area together with other family members, this could be a perfect setup where you can have homes right next door. These houses are 1,630 square feet of living area. It is 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So you can see to our left here are the 3 guest bedrooms on this side of the house and the guest bath. So this first room here could be a flex room if you need an office and you don't need 4 bedrooms. That's a great space there to be an office space. Beautiful open flow. We have a nice sized kitchen here, stone countertops with the waterfall edge. So you're gonna have a really pretty stone side to your countertops. And you have your sink right here where you can be working in the kitchen and you're looking outside, or you're engaging still with your guests or your family and friends. And it's just a great flow to allow you to still be involved when you are prepping. Pantry here, so you've got good space to store all your essentials for the kitchen. And then on this side of the house, we have the entrance from the garage, 2-car garage. And then we walk down the hallway, and to the right is the laundry room, very spacious laundry room. You've got the air handler space there as well. So interior laundry, and that is adjacent to the master primary bedroom suite. So this suite, I think that laundry room location is fantastic. So you can, have convenience of popping your clothes in and out of the washer and the dryer, and you're right by your bedroom. Bathroom will have 2 sinks and a nice size shower. Walk-in closet here. So you'll have good space for organizing all of your day-to-day items. And we'll walk over here and just take a peek at the guest side. And we've got 2 nice bedrooms over here with closets. In the middle is the bathroom. It's got the tub shower combo and a sink and toilet. Very nice windows. These are actually tilt windows, so they're double pane. They're upgraded to have the really nice design to them, and they tilt in and out, so they're easy cleaning. And in the back, we've got a little yard space where you can have pets. You could add a pool if you wanted to. Can't open the door. There we go. But a nice little patio here and space for you to, just be able to use your yard. So right here is the next door property. Very similar stage of completion. Again, these houses will be done in the next couple of months. So if you're looking for something brand new that will have warranties, but that you can move right in and just do with it what you will, then these houses are going to be a great option for you. So if you'd like more information, please give my team and I a call. We are RES Luxury Group with eXp Realty, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. You can reach us at 352-794-1426. Talk soon.